Angibingelele kuShengu Sowalisa umnyamana.
Yabingelela.
I think they
No, if you bully us like that, I'm not prepared to answer.
Yeah.
If we are bullying, because as the DJ says, we want you to tease out that thing so that even listeners can know what you're saying. Tennyson ngiyamazi ungakhathi esebenza kimi APA yami.
Yeah, ngiyavumela baba.
Yes, I believe that that you can disagree without being disagreeable.
We are processor. Thank you very much.
Now we are bad.
People died that were innocent, and I've never heard your guest apologize.
Good Lord. Where have you been? More flies are caught with honey than with vinegar. No, because ikhona usho ukuthini lokho.
Udilizwe lithini ungaphezulu kwakho baba?
Ngitshela uwe lokho ungibani wena ngempela. Ungatshela mina lokho. Ungibani njengami ongafundisa mina ngalokho.